Hello guys, I'm Arham Jain and I'm in 4th grade. I go to Moonpreneur Elementary School and I'm a student of the Moonpreneur program. I made the Candy Dispenser. It's a machine that controls the candy consumption habits of kids. Would you rather have the teeth on the left or the teeth on the right? If you want the teeth on the right, then my product's perfect for you. Some ways my product's good for you is if you're worried about eating too much candy, you have a high sugar intake, are concerned about your unhealthy eating habits, and trying to look for solutions to control it. Well, my candy dispenser does all of them. It controls candy eating habits, it controls sugar intake, it helps learning self-control, and parents don't need to watch them 24/7. Some components of the candy dispenser are a fingerprint sensor, an intuitive code system. It's programmed to give only one candy per day. This is a prototype. On the top, there's a stepper motor, which dispenses the candy. On the bottom is a fingerprint sensor, where it detects the fingerprints. The green board on the top left is the stepper board, which controls the stepper motor. And the blue board in the middle is the Arduino Uno, which controls the whole system. This is my design. The gray part is meant to fit in the hole in the pink part to dispense candy. The stepper motor turns the gray part so it can dispense candy. Candy falls into the ridge inside the gray part, turns into the hole inside the pink part, and therefore dispenses candy. Some future enhancements I want to add are to have multiple accounts, because right now if you have multiple kids and you want them to all use this machine, you have to buy multiple machines. But in the future we're planning to have this machine run for multiple accounts. Also, we want to add mobile app support, so instead of just using your fingerprint, you can also do it by a mobile app we'll make. Also, in the future, we want to make a customizable amount of candy. Right now, you can only dispense one per day, but in the future, we want to dispense a set amount set by the parents. Thank you.